Hi guys, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my face, you're definitely welcome. Do well to hit that subscribe button if this is your first time on my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're the realest MVP. I love you so much. So today's video is an unboxing as well as a review as well as a demonstration, because you guys know that whenever I'm telling you guys about a particular product, I like to go as detailed as I can possibly go, so you know the pros, the cons before you go ahead and purchase them. Today's review is going to be on a lash. It's a revolutionary type of lash. I don't know if you guys are very familiar with magnetic lashes. When it came out newly, I wasn't really a huge fan because I found it, even though I found it fascinating, I wasn't too sure of how it's gonna work. But today's package is a magnetic lash, but the new kind of magnetic lash, the improved kind of magnetic lash, and I am so happy that this brand reached out to me to review their product, and I'm super excited to share my thoughts and show you guys how to apply it. So if that's something you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. So today's package is from Glamnetic. One thing first, you guys know I'm a sucker for good packaging. This on its own is just really nice, and it just says Glamnetic. This is like your regular bubble mailer, right? But it has the brand name on it, so it's holographic. If you guys can see clearly, holographic with Glamnetic. I just really like how it's not like the basic bubble mailer. So once you open it, you're gonna see your package. In my case, I was gifted 2 lashes and a liner. Now, the reason why I was stalling on doing this review was mostly because I didn't have memory space on all my I got the style Lush, and then I got Lavish, and I have opened both of them, and I absolutely love the quality of the lashes. It says Glamnetic Lavish Lash. I like that they put the lash style on this. The normal way most people would do is to put the name on the side or to put it inside, but it's like typed out, so you literally can see what you purchase. The package is a black box with pink, baby pink, highlight. Once you open it, it's a magnetic case. Okay, maybe it's not. Yeah, I think maybe. At the back, it tells you application tips. Cut magnetic lash down to fit eye width. Apply magnetic liner on lash line where lash would adhere. Adhere magnetic lashes to magnetic eyeliner. To reuse, clean magnet by gently scratching off dried magnetic liner. It sounds pretty simple, and compared to the regular way of applying your lashes, this seems more straightforward. Now let's open the package. So I got 2 lashes and their magnetic eyeliner. So there's no the ones that they did before, not this brand, the ones that were popular before now were those ones that were 2, so you put 1 on top and then the bottom one would automatically adhere because of the magnetic infusion on the band. Now let's look at Lush. Lush is a gorgeous shade. I'm gonna put like B-roll so you guys can see. This is what Lush looks like. I like that. When I saw this on their website, I was like, ugh, that maybe it's one of those. I mean, like, I love big lashes. I'm not afraid to say that I love big lashes. So when I saw this on their website, it looked basic. It looked like what somebody who loves natural lashes would wear. But this is actually my kind of lash. Like, yo, look at this. Just look at this. Now Lavish, it's hard to pick a favorite lash because I love both of them, but I think I'm going to tilt towards Lavish. Lavish is just my perfect style. Like, it's an infusion of simple and drama at the same time, and it has the right amount of length. So this is absolutely amazing. I would say the length of this lash would be anywhere between 18 ml to 20 ml. So even if you're new to lash wearing, this will look absolutely stunning on you. Now once you open it, you're gonna see know your worth and then add tax. Girl, know your worth and add tax to it. Then mark it up by 100%. Okay. Now let's look at the eyeliner. The eyeliner comes in a box like this. So this is what the eyeliner pack looks like. So if you open it, this is what the packaging of the lash itself looks like. And once you open it, it's like your normal regular liner. It even comes with like the brush itself is like your normal. Reminds, like, there's this Marburg eyeliner that I rave about, and the application looks like this, very fine. And one thing about the lash is that, you know, it's so easy to put back because it has like a magnetic stripe. I don't know if you guys can see that line. So what you literally have to do once you're done is just did you see that? Bye bye to looking for your lashes everywhere. Bye bye to, you know, having to press it, your lashes, to make sure that like it sits. So this is absolutely stunning. That's what this one looks like. So now let's go to application. The first step is to use the magnetic liner, and you want to line your lash line. So put it where you want to put the lash. So I'm going to start off with Lavish. I'm just going to take Lavish. Of course, you want to make sure that it's cut to how you want it to be. And what you just basically do is and it stays. I don't know if you guys can see it. And that's it. It stays put. Like, it's not going anywhere. Like, if you tug, unless you pull it by force. And one thing I like about this is that compared to when you're doing like normal lashes, you know, when you apply glue and you apply the lashes, you're gonna see some bits of white on your lash line because the glue is still trying to dry. But this is just perfect. Like, yo. Okay, so let's do the other eye. Okay, it adheres like it's oh my goodness, yo, I'm a fine girl. What? This is really nice. I'm not even kidding you. Like, yo, this is pretty. And this is what Lavish looks like. Hey guys, so I did go ahead to change the lash to the second one. So what I currently have on right now is Lush. Lush is like the longer one that I showed you guys, which is like, I'm assuming 20 ml. It does seem like 25 ml, but it's so freaking light and simple that you literally won't see it. Compared to this and the other one, which I'm going to put somewhere here, you can clearly see that the other one is quite fuller and shorter than this one. This one is longer than that, but lighter. Like, it literally looks like I don't have anything on at all. Yeah, and that's basically it. Simple, really nice, and straight to the point. Now let's go ahead and test it, you know, just to confirm that our lash is going to be on point on our lash line without flying away. Okay, and once I'm done with this, I'm just going to quickly tell you guys how much it costs, and you know, so you can just pretty much have an idea when you want to purchase yours. Now I'm going to turn on my hair dryer, and I'm going to put it on cool, but I'm going to make it high. Blow dryer like at the highest, and I did that for, I'd say, like 2-3 minutes. You'd notice that this side, I mean, it slightly lifted, but it didn't fly away, so it was holding on to that magnetic eyeliner, which is super amazing. And yeah, I definitely highly recommend it. Like, this saves you a lot of stress. You draw your liner, you put on your lash, and you're good to go, girl. So now let's talk about, yeah, so they all cost, all the lashes, each of them cost $29.99, that's $30. And the magnetic eyeliner cost $37.99, which is not bad. So if you ask me, it's a good buy. Definitely highly recommend it. So give yourself a treat, go ahead and buy it. You will definitely not regret it, and it's reusable probably up to 25 times, because this is just really unique. It's not like your regular, I mean, it's your regular lashes, but with magnets. So it makes your eyelash application super fast, especially if you're just starting out and you want to start applying lashes and what's not. Website out, I think they're currently having a sale going on, which is, so you buy you get it for 40% off. I'm not sure, because the founder's birthday was some weeks back or some days back, so she's doing like, give it a go guys, give it a go. And with that brings us to the very end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, just because, you know, I enjoyed it myself. So this makeup is not going to waste. I'm going to take a walk to Target so everybody can see my pretty hair and my pretty face, and then I'll be right back. But with that said, I think this is pretty much good to go. I think I will do like an update when I'm back from Target and doing my runs and coming back. I'll show you guys, just so you guys see that it's still intact and, you know, nothing is out of place. So on to my next one, guys. I love you guys so much. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Girl, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any content that I have, you know, on my channel. So bye guys. Another thing that I forgot to mention was how to remove it. Like literally all you have to do is just pull it. It doesn't hurt your eye because it's magnetic. You just pull it, and that's one huge pro that I can like definitely tell you guys. If I'm using like my regular glue, I have to tug it a little bit, and as a result you might pull like some strands of your lashes, but with this it's just super easy.